Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I wanted to jump on here before the actual video starts just to let you guys know that I was watching the footage and I realized that when I'm telling you guys this is a tool-free project, I say you need this tool. What I was trying to say is that you don't need any SVG files and you don't need any metal dies to create these tag boxes. So yeah, I don't know why I said that, but this is definitely a tool-free project and I hope you guys enjoy it, and on with the video. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a craft with me session and we are going to be making these super cute little tag boxes. They are perfect to fill with goodies for your pen pals, for some spooky mail. I absolutely love them. They're super easy, and guess what, you guys? You don't need a file, you don't need a tool. All you need is a cutting tool like this one, kind of like, and not even, you can use some scissors, a ruler, so you don't really need any tools. And you can make these cute little tags, send them away to some pen pals, and they will be happy, very happy. So look how cute, you guys. I want to show you the two different options that I made, and then we're going to go and make one together. But this one I decided to use the acetate. You guys know I'm obsessed with making stuff with acetate, so I made my pocket clear so you can see the crinkle paper through it. I used the Hey Pumpkin collection. It's got this cute little riff-raff coming out the top. I do back the tag when it comes to these with some chipboard. I get this in my Scrapbookcom hauls when they send me collections, so I always save it because it's not too thick but it's not too thin either, and it's perfect to back something like this if you want it to be extra sturdy. So this is what the first one looks like, and it's see-through and I love it. And I used a bunch of the little Hey Pumpkin ephemera. I stitched on it. I have some fabric and these cute little bows from, I forgot who these bows are from. I'm not sure, but they're super cute. I like the way that looks. And this is the first one. The second one is basic orange and black, also using the Hey Pumpkin collection. This was a practice run. These little flaps right here, you're gonna realize that I don't end up using them. I end up taking them completely off because I don't like the look of this, and I don't like the way the box feels when they're inside. So this one has the flaps, but as you can see, I love even though you have a little opening here, I love the clean look. I don't want to see any lines anywhere, so I found a way to do it without having these flaps just lingering around here. Because I didn't want it to share the paper, I left them there, but we're doing it a different way. And look how cute, you guys. Another one of these little bows, and I did some orange and black little ribbon up there. It's also backed. See, this was like I was learning, so I didn't really like the way this one turned out, but still super cute. This was my practice one. This was my what do you call that? I forgot what you call that when you do like a practice one. And then this was the one that I absolutely love that I made. So let's make one. I did make my tag ahead of time. You guys know that I do that all the time. Let me get my ruler out because the tag could be 4 by 6, but I kind of like change it up. So let me see how tall my tag is. My tag is about 6.5, just a little shy of 6.5 by 4. So yeah, I guess I did this one 6.5 by 4. So I'll have all the measurements down below, you guys, because I am all over the place when it comes to numbers. So I'm just using this paper to show you guys how I do the scoring, but this is the one that I'm actually going to be using for my tag, because to decorate, I'll show you that in a little bit. But you're going to grab your paper and it's going to be 8 inches this way, 6 inches this way, so 8 by 6. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to score it. Let me get my little... You're going to want to score it at 1 and 2 on both sides, you guys. So 1 and 2. And then on the bottom part, you're going to want to score it again at 1 and at 2. So you're going to have 2 score lines this way and 2 score lines this way and 2 score lines this way. So these are your folds. Let me grab my bone folder. Super easy, you guys. And I'm probably sure there's probably an easier way to do it. Maybe if you have like a die or something, but not everybody has dies. So we need to learn how to make this without using anything but what we have. So I'm just making my lines, my score lines. Okay. Now you see the little squares? This is where I cut them all off. I have no use for them. If you choose to save them, you can do that, because I know that if you cut like half, you can use it and have the flap there. I'm okay without them. So we cut those off, and then when you seal your box, you would just bring this up right here and glue on each corner. So basically it would have to be like that, because that is what's going to go up against, where's my tag? That's what's going to go up against your tag. See that? When you glue that down, and that's going to make your little gift box, because it's going to be right edge to edge, and you are going to be good to go. So you can just put some ATG tape right here, right here, right here, and place your box down. You could put a little hole right here. You can do the 1 inch to give it a cuter look. Like you can do something like that. Look how cute that looks. And then you can place that right there. And then you guys, you just decorate the front of your box. Another idea is you can make a little shaker. I made a shaker with white cardstock in the back, and then it has acetate on the front. And then you can put that right in front of your box, because this is 4x4. And you can put that right in front of your box. And look how cute. Is that not the cutest? So maybe, I'm not sure yet, I ended up using this sheet music paper for my tag. As you can see, it's backed. So we're gonna attach that to this sheet. I think I like the way that looks. But let me close this ginormous tool. Grab my ATG tape, and then I'm just gonna do kind of like 2 straight lines here, 2 straight lines here. Make sure everything is good to go. I'm also gonna add it to my, which one would be this one right here, the one in the back. So the last one, the ones that are gonna go tucked away in the back. So you would place it right on the edge of your tag. I use my bone folder to really get that down there. And you do one part first, and you bring it to the edge to edge. Use your bone folder again. You guys, super easy. And you see how clean it looks? I feel like with the flaps, it just gives it an extra bulky look that I don't really like. And look at that. So just make sure you go to the edge as much as you can. And then you bring in the last flap, edge to edge. Oops, I'm not even on frame, right there, edge to edge. And then you, once again, just with the bone folder, lay it down. Make sure that it sticks down perfectly. And look, you guys. Now, usually, which I realized that I just did not do, is I cover this. I actually put the box over the brown, and then I put my tag in the inside. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm sad that I have to change my, well, actually, I'm going to leave it like that, but I'm trying to think. No, I'm just going to leave it like that. But for your guys' references, don't make the same mistake that I did. First, put your first layer first, then you lay down your box, and then you put in your tag in the bottom. So that way you don't have to worry about that, because I don't like the way this looks, and I don't have it like that. So I basically put the box in between the two layers. You guys see that? Maybe I should just make another color for this one of the tags. Should I do that? See? You guys, this is what we call raw and uncut. Learn from my mistake. So we're just gonna cover it, because I want to show you guys how it looks when you do it the right way. I don't know why I did it like that. That's what I get for making my tag ahead of time. Just make sure that I'm the right size. Oops. You guys, but these are so cute. I like these little boxes. All right. So let me just trying to size it up as best as possible, so I can just cut it. Okay, so this should fit perfectly in here, right? And cover it. Yep, you see that? It just looks cleaner. So I think I'm gonna end up doing that. I'm gonna add some ATG tape to this little tag. And cover up that box. I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna line it up as best as possible. Take your bone folder. Make sure it lays down even. Any excess, just trim it off. Okay. Oh, I like the box in pink and blue. Super cute, very pastel-y. Okay, and then now we're gonna make our little, what do you call that? This is definitely a craft with me session, huh? I'm gonna use one of these cute little eyelets, and we're gonna put that right there. I'm gonna take out my crocodile. Put that as much as you can in the center. I have to do double. I don't know why, because these are bigger, so I always have to go over. I don't think this is gonna fit in here. Well, maybe it will. For some reason, these eyelets are tough. Okay. Let me try to make this as straight as possible. There you go. So now, we're gonna put your muscles to use. And I hate that it moves, because the way my OCD is set up, that needs to be straight. And when you hit the, when you use the crocodile, it like turns it, and it annoys me, because I like my things straight and as perfect as possible. There you go. Look at that, super cute. So you would just add some ribbon, and then you would decorate. You can make a shaker like I showed you guys. You can just put the little shaker box in the front, but I think I'm going to decorate it with some of the ephemera from this collection. And yeah, that is how you make these cute little gift tag boxes. Just make sure you put your box in between your two layers, so you don't make the same mistake that I did. And take those flaps out. I don't really think you need them. You see how clean your box looks. When you put this down here, your crinkle paper, it's gonna, I don't know, it's up to you. You can use them. I like it like this. I have no problem with the little openings. That's just happening to me because, of course, I put the pink paper way too big. But yeah, that's this super quick, well, not that quick because it's 14 minutes in, craft with me for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys are going to try it out to send some goodies to your pen pals. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.